Hello student, here we discuss about Tischenko reaction, very important. Enolizable and non-enolizable both aldehyde give this test, this reaction. Whether it is acetaldehyde which is having alpha hydrogen or benzaldehyde which is not having alpha hydrogen, they both can show Tischenko reaction. I am Veena Dixit. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. All the best and thank you for watching. Tischenko reaction, here both enolizable and non-enolizable aldehydes undergo Tischenko reaction. Base catalyzed reaction, it will be base used is this is aluminium alkoxide. Okay, here I have taken aluminium ethoxide. I can say here aluminium ethoxide. Okay, so it will form intermediate. Reaction mechanism we discuss in next video. So what will happen when we are taking 2 moles of aldehyde? This is acetaldehyde, it is having alpha hydrogen, so it will undergo disproportionation reaction. How it is possible? Because this catalyst will make this promote oxidation and reduction for the molecule of acetaldehyde. So anhydrous condition will be there. So first of all, one molecule is oxidized to acetic acid and another molecule is reduced to ethanol, and then immediately they will form water and they will lose water and ester will be formed. Means what does it mean? Means disproportionation occur followed by esterification. This process is called esterification. Okay, this process is called esterification, and here this is disproportionation reaction. DIS, this. Write down yourself. We have proportionation. Okay, disproportionation followed by esterification. We will get ester. Now, anhydrous condition required. Acetaldehyde undergo disproportionation. One molecule oxidized, one molecule reduced, and then after dehydration, ester is formed. Means esterification, ester is formed. So, transformation of acetaldehyde into ester will take place. Okay, but in case of how it is differ from aldol condensation, because in case of aldol condensation 2 moles of acetaldehyde is used, the aqueous dilute NaOH is used and aldol will be formed. Okay, and when water will be lost, then we'll get CH3 CH double bond CH Okay, so this type of reaction will be taking place. Now, in case this proportionation reaction, Lewis acid is used, ester is formed. Here I have taken general structure, and see here this is aldehyde, Lewis acid, ester is formed. 2 mole, 1 mole is oxidized, 1 mole is reduced. Esterification takes place and we'll get ester. Benzaldehyde, I took non-anodizable, so benzaldehyde will oxidize to benzoic acid and benzyl